So today we actually discuss about the relation between AM and GM. I think you know the relation between the arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. I think you remember that relation. It is arithmetic mean is greater than equal to harmonic geometric mean, and geometric mean is greater than equal to harmonic mean. Just for remember, I again repeat what is the arithmetic mean. Let x1 একবার যদি ভুলে গেছো কিনা আমি জানি না, যদি ভুলে না যাও তার জন্য একবার রিপিট করছি। For two element x1 and x2, the arithmetic mean m, or rather we write it as x bar. That is, generally it is called mean. Arithmetic mean equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. If there are three elements, sorry, by 2. If there are three elements, then x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay. Now the GM is, now the GM, somebody video it off or on. Okay. The GM will be, that is called geometric mean, and square root of x1 into x2. If there are three numbers are there, like x1, x2, and x3, then the GM will be cube root of. For example, what is the meaning of cube root, or what is the meaning of square root? For example, there are, say for example, two elements are there. One element is 3 and another element is 4. Okay, then the GM will be 3 into 4. What is 12? The square root of 12. And using calculator, you can find the square root of 12. Similarly, if there are three elements like 2, 3, and 5, then what will be the GM? 2 into 3 into 5, that's cube root. That is 2 into 3. If there are three elements like 2, 3, and 5, the GM will be 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30, 30, and the cube root, and cube root is written by 1 by 3. Cube root you can easily calculate using calculator. Okay, now let us now go for HM. And what is HM? For two elements, HM will be, that is called harmonic mean. Harmonic mean, just এগুলো আবার পুরনো একবার রিপিট করছি, অনেকের হয়তো জানা আছে, যারা ভুলে গেছে তাদের জন্য। Harmonic mean for two elements, দুটো elements x1 আর x2. Harmonic mean is equal to, দুটো element বলে 2 by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2. Okay, clear? So a little bit difficult to calculate. That is, for example, you can say like this. You see the harmonic mean. You see this example. There are 4 elements are there. Okay, you see there are 4 speed. You see this speed 10, 12, 15, and 20. Chatte information given speed. And what is the harmonic mean? 4. Can 4? 4 number of observations are there. So 4, 1 by 10, you see, 1 by 12, 1 by 15, 1 by 20. So this is called harmonic mean. And if there are two elements, duto number je thake, we can write 2 by 1 by x1, number duto jodi x1 or x2 hoy, 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2. So these are the three formula. That is, m will be x1 plus x2 by 2. Gm will be q square root of x1 into x2. And harmonic mean hm will be 2 by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2. And you see an example for this, for the case of harmonic mean. The example ta harmonic mean er jonno dewa ache. Suppose a man walks along four side of a square ground. After square ground er four side a man হাঁটছে with the speed 10 km per hour, 20 km per hour, sorry, 12 km per hour, 15 km per hour, 20 km per hour, etc. চারদিকে ঘুরছে, চার রকম স্পিডে হাঁটছে, চারটে স্পিডে. So what will be the, then to calculate his average speed, you have to find his average speed. In this type, the distance traversed in each case is same. কেন? আমি যদি মনে করো একটা স্কয়ার গ্রাউন্ড, ওকে, মনে করি একটা স্কয়ার গ্রাউন্ড, তো অ্যাজুম হিয়ার এইদিকে বড় হাঁটছো তুমি 10 km per hour, এইদিকে হাঁটছো, ওকে, সরি, এইটা একটা স্কয়ার গ্রাউন্ড, রাইট, এটা স্কয়ার গ্রাউন্ড ধরো, তুমি এদিকে হাঁটছো 10 km per hour. Then you go for here in this side 12 km per hour, right? Then you go from this to this 15 km per hour, right? Then from this to this 20 km per hour, right? Now in this case the distance traversed in every case is same. Can distance the same hi, at a square ground, the a distance is equal to this distance is equal to this distance is equal to this distance. Square ground, বর্গক্ষেত্র মাঠ same হবে. So if the distance is fixed or distance is same but the speed is different, we calculate the average speed. I repeat, we calculate the average speed, we always use hm. I repeat again, for this particular example, when the distance traversed is fixed but the speed different, for the different direction, we always use the harmonic mean instead of arithmetic mean. In general, for this type of example, we always use harmonic mean. Don't use arithmetic mean. Although the speed is given and you try to find the average speed, it is the common practice to use arithmetic mean. The 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 by 4. This is the common practice. You always use the arithmetic mean. Average God jake boli amra. It is the standard স্বাভাবিক ধারণা যখন we try to find the average speed, the average বার করার basic technique সবসময় মাথায় খেলে আমাদের. There are 4 items are there, 4 numbers are there, like 10, 12, 15 and 20. We add all these 4 numbers, divide by 4. This is the common practice we always try. But for this particular example, when the given informations are speed, like 10, 12, 15 and 20, and that is kilometer per hour, you see this, kilometer per hour. But the distance traversed in every case is same, because same square field chardike ghurche. So to calculate the average, We always use HM. Don't use arithmetic mean for this particular example. অনেকেরই arithmetic mean ব্যবহার করতে চাইবে বা ইচ্ছা করবে বা this is the common practice or standard convention. We always use arithmetic mean or x bar. আমরা এটি সবসময় ইউজ করি, but for this particular example you always use HM. How can you use the HM? Since there are four items are there, the 4 observations are there, the formula is 4 by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 second item plus 1 by x3 third item plus 1 by x4 fourth item. So this is the formula HM for any two item. I repeat again, for any two item x1 and x2. I repeat, for any two item x1 and x2, the HM will be 2 by x1, 2 by 1 by x1 and 1 by x2. This is the definite formula for the harmonic mean. If there are two items, but there are 4 observations or 4 items here there, that is 10 km per hour, 12 km per hour, 15 km per hour, 20 km per hour. So charte item is there, and so 4 by 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 1 by 15, 1 by 20. And you get, by using calculator, you can get 13.33 km per hour is the average speed. Okay. So this is the first example. Now let us go for this example. Find the harmonic mean of the reciprocals of the first n natural numbers. কি বলেছে? Find the harmonic mean HM of the reciprocals of the first n natural number. Natural number মানে স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যা. Natural numbers are the numbers which are always used for our daily life, and the numbers which are always used in our daily life or in daily calculation, like 1, 2, the 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, etc. It's a number that is the standard number that is used, not fraction, negative number. এগুলো স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যা বা natural number নয়. Natural numbers are those numbers which are used in our daily life. 1, 2, 3, যেগুলো আমরা রিয়েল লাইফে সবসময় বিভিন্ন ব্যবহারিক কাজে ইউজ করি. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are called natural numbers. Okay, so, we have to find the harmonic mean of the reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by. Okay, there are, for reciprocal of 2 is reciprocal. Reciprocal কত? 1 by 2. Similar reciprocal of 10. What is the reciprocal of 10? 1 by 10. You can get the fractioning formula like that. যাই খুশি বলতে পারো. So they are called reciprocals. কি বলেছে? Find the harmonic mean of the reciprocals of first n natural numbers. First of all, first n natural numbers কত? n মানে n may be 10, 20, 30, 25, whatever may be. N is a unknown number, or you can say any numbers, real numbers or natural numbers. n mean the first n natural number মানে 1 থেকে শুরু. Minimum value of the natural number is 1. আমরা দেখবে ন্যাচারাল নাম্বার হচ্ছে যেগুলো ডেইলি লাইফে ইউজ করি. সবসময় যে নাম্বারগুলো আমরা কথা বলি, কথা পারপাসে বা ইউজ করতে ব্যবহার করি, ধরো মুদিখানায় বা যে কোনো দোকানঘাটে রুপি টাকার ভ্যালুয়েশনে, রুপিস ক্যালকুলেশনে 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they are the natural numbers. The minimum natural number is 1. বলেছে reciprocal of the first n natural numbers. প্রথম n টা natural numbers. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to n বলেছে না, first n natural numbers. So you can write it like n. You don't know. I know you don't know the value of n. n এর কত মান ছেড়ে দাও. It may be 10, 20, 15, 100, 1 crores, whatever may be the value of n. Ignore about the value. First n natural numbers, they are the first n natural numbers. Now what you have to do? Find the harmonic mean of the reciprocals of the first n natural numbers. Reciprocals মানে just one, that one reciprocal কত 1 by 1, 2 reciprocal কত 1 by 2, 3 reciprocal কত 1 by 3, 4 reciprocal 1 by 4. So I write it, the reciprocals, ভালো করে দেখো, the reciprocals of the first n natural numbers are 1, 1 by 1 তো 1 ই হয়, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, and so on, like last 1 by n. Okay, so they are the numbers first. Now what do you do? Find the harmonic mean of the reciprocals of first n natural numbers. So they are the numbers, and you have to find the harmonic mean of that. I repeat, if we try to find the harmonic mean of any two numbers, say the numbers are x1 and x2, if we try to find the harmonic mean of x1 and x2, what do you have to do? We have to write 2, because 2 is x1 and x2, two numbers are there, and you find the reciprocal of the numbers, x1, 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2. Here the numbers are 1, half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and etc. So to find the harmonic mean, কি করতে হবে? Total how many numbers are there? N numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to how many numbers? N numbers are there. So n will be in the numerator part. Now in the denominator part, you have to write the reciprocals of the given numbers. You have to find the reciprocals of the given numbers. The reciprocals of 1 is 1. So write it 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So write it 2. Reciprocals of 1 by 3, it is 3. Reciprocals of 1 by 4, it is 4. I write it 4. And the reciprocals of 1 by n, it is n. 1 by n is reciprocal, that is 1 by 1 by n. What will be that? It's quite simple, as equal to n. So for example, 1 by 2. What is the value? Reciprocal of half. 1 by 2 reciprocal. What will be that? 1 by 2 reciprocal. 1 by 1 by 2. That is equal to 2. So write all these values. Reciprocals of all numbers that are given. So then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. Okay. Now we have to use a special formula for this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n is, we have a special formula for this, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is a special formula. This is a special type of summation or addition, like 1 plus 2. It is a systematic standard pattern. 1, that is the addition up to first n natural numbers. The addition of first n natural numbers, and it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. প্রথম n সংখ্যক সংখ্যার যোগফল, or addition of first n natural numbers. n সংখ্যক স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যার যোগফল, first n সংখ্যক স্বাভাবিক সংখ্যার যোগফল, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n, and that is the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the formula. So use that formula, n into n plus 1 by 2 here. Now we cancel n. Now 2 is here. Denominator 2 will be go upward and we get 2 by n plus 1. That is the answer. 2 by n plus 1. Okay. So we have done this. Now the next example. There is we have done already this. We have done already this. Okay. Now the third example. Prove that this part, the most important part. বহুবার পরীক্ষা এসেছে example. Okay, we can start. Let us use this. Prove that n to the power n is greater than 1 into 3 into 5. The dot means into multiplication. Prove that n to the power n, I repeat, prove that n to the power n greater than 1 into 3 into 5 into multiplied 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1. Okay. Prove that. So actually, for this example, we first start. Let us take this list of numbers like 1, 3, the numbers that are in the right hand side of this expression. The numbers that are in the right hand side of the expression, n to the power n greater than 1 into 3 into 5 and so on. So there are numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, right, 9, etc. up to 2n minus 1. Let us see. First of all, we have to know how many numbers are there actually. How many numbers are there? কতগুলো সংখ্যা আছে 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot 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 dot, but up to 2n minus 1. How many numbers are there? That is the most important task to do. Let's see. N is equal to arbitrary. I will choose n is equal to 10. Let us think n is equal to 10. That is 2n minus 1 will be 19. Am I right? 2 into 9, 10. 2 into 10, 20. 20 minus 1, 19. So, can you tell how many numbers, if n is equal to 10, can you tell how many numbers are there? Up to 1 into 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 19. How many numbers are there? Can anyone tell? এখানে কতগুলো সংখ্যা আছে? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 19. Hello? কতগুলো সংখ্যা আছে এখানে? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 19. How many numbers are there?
Sir, 10 khana.
Right. 10 numbers are there. That is the most important. If you simply calculate like 1, 3, counting 2, 5, counting 3, 7, counting 4, 9, counting 5, 11, counting 6, 13, counting 7, 15, counting 8, 17, counting 9, 19, counting 10. So 10 numbers are there. মজাটা হচ্ছে দেখো, after n, we put n is equal to 10 and we get 19. তাই না? তার মানে if the list of numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, up to 2n minus 1, if the list of numbers like 2n minus 1, then it is guaranteed that in this list, then guaranteed in this list, you can get n number of items. You know, n number of observations or items. তুমি যাই বলো না কেন, তাই তো? Observations, items, etc. আগেরবার খেয়াল করে দেখো, n এর জায়গায় আমি 10 বসিয়ে 19 পেয়েছিলাম, রাইট? n এর জায়গায় 10 বসিয়ে 19 পেয়েছিলাম, তাই আমি বলেছিলাম এবং কাউন্ট করে দেখেছি 1 থেকে 19 পর্যন্ত যেতে গেলে এরকম 2 জাম্প করে 1, দেন 2 জাম্প 3, দেন 5, দেন 7, 2 করে জাম্প করে আমি 10টা আইটেম পেয়েছিলাম, 10টা নাম্বার পেয়েছিলাম। সুতরাং 2n minus 1 পর্যন্ত whatever may be the value of n, actually in this list we have n number of items. We have n number of items. It is clear. So I write, so for this reason I write there has n number of items or n number of terms. Okay. Now the arithmetic mean of these n numbers, we know for any two numbers x1 and x2, am will be x1 plus x2 by 2. So there are n number of items, x2. If there are n number of items, so arithmetic mean will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 2n minus 1, the last number, by n, right? And this is the again we have to use this formula that is called AP or arithmetic progression. The formula is, if there are n number of items, 1 plus 3 plus 5 n minus 1, so that is actually we have n number of items are there, and the first number is কত? 2 into a. This is the formula for the arithmetic progression, AP. Write it AP, arithmetic progression. I repeat, arithmetic, ARITHMETIC, arithmetic progression, PROGRESSION. And the formula is the sum of this 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to 2n minus 1, there is n number of terms, and the formula is n মানে number of terms, কতগুলো আছে, n সংখ্যক আছে, so you have to write n by 2. Okay, 10টা সংখ্যা থাকলে 10 by 2, 50টা সংখ্যা থাকলে 50 by 2, 100 number of item থাকলে 100 by 2 into 2 into a is the first term, প্রথম সংখ্যা, ফার্স্ট টার্মটা কত? 1, তাই তো? is the first term, plus n minus 1 into d. D is called common difference. D is called common difference. D is called common difference. Common difference means the difference between each term. দেখো 1 3 difference কত? 2, 3 to 5 difference 2, 5 to 7 difference 2. They are called common difference. Okay, and you see the value is 2, for this value is 2, d to. ফর্মুলা কি দেওয়া হলো ভালো করে দেখো, n by 2 লিখেছি, n by 2 into bracket 2 into 1 means first term 2a plus n minus 1 into d. d মানে the common difference. Common difference কত? 1 আর 3 বিয়োগ করলে কত হয়? 2, 3, 5, 2 ইনক্রিজ করছে, দেখো 2 2 করে বাড়ছে, 7 5 difference কত? 2. The common difference is d, 2. What is the formula? We have the formula That is called arithmetic progression formula, and that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the AP series if the sum is like up to nth term, and n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So use a is the first term, in this case a is the 1, d, and so after calculating this part, 2 plus n minus 1 into d. There are 2n minus 2, right? So you cancel n, and so 2n, and there the denominator part there is n. So you cancel n by n. Sorry, just a minute. There is n by 2, right? And within bracketed 2 plus 2n minus 2 by n, right? So first of all, you cancel this n with this n, and 2 minus 2 will be cancelled. So these 2 and these 2 cancel. So we have actually n. So write it in. Okay. So arithmetic mean will be n. Okay. Now GM. We know GM is the how many terms are there? 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 dot dot into 2n minus 1. N number of terms. I repeat, n number of terms. n সংখ্যক সংখ্যা আছে, আমরা একটু আগে দেখিয়েছি. So we have to nth root. This is called nth root. Like this, all terms, and there is, we write it n within this position. That is called nth root. Okay, and we write the nth root as like this. And we know m greater than gm. তাহলে কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে? m greater than gm যদি ইউজ করি, what we have actually, m means n greater than this gm. We know this gm. Now if we both side nth power multiplied, both side, for this expression we multiplied both side with nth power. We know use the formula am greater than gm, and we know am is equal to n and gm is equal to this. I'll need to find it. Now multiply both side nth power. That is ekhane nth square root ache, that will vanish, and we have n to the power n, squaring both side n, and since there are nth root, that is 1 into 3 into 5 into dot 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 2n minus 1. Nth root means 1 by n, right? And if we nth power both side use, we have n by n. This side nth power apply করেছি, so cancelling n and n, we have this part. Hence proved. Okay.